Huwag na nga yung kamay kung saan-saan. Ang papa.
Executive Vice President, then Dr. Lourdes S. Anones.
Tama lang.
Our Vice President for Administration, Dr. Eduardo H. Sison. Distinguished guest, Mr. Jose Maribi Ojeda. Dear Principal, teachers, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with great honor and I feel truly blessed speaking in behalf of my equally gifted batchmates. Indeed, a momentous occasion in a child's life as we reap the fruits of our labor. For now, the seeds that we planted have reached its full growth as we relish the moment of our easy graduation. It's been a year. It's been a year since I set off this stage to receive my kindergarten award. A witness to those who take center stage to deliver their speech, and now here I am, right before you, savoring this wonderful experience. The university is no longer new to me. Both my sisters are graduates of UNC, and I can truly attest to the strong foundation built upon, loaded with values and inspiration. Preschool is just the beginning of a very long journey in our school life. To mention, we belong to the K-12 curriculum. From our ABCs, we learn to explore, gain knowledge, and most importantly, we make new friends. The joy of learning never ends. We owe it to our dear mentors, Teacher Ferry and Teacher Janet, who take a deep sense of responsibility in molding us to what we are now. In this age of fluffy birds, we are equipped with the most modern facilities the university has to offer, and has taken a chance because our thirst for education is just within reach. Our desire to learn is clearly attainable. Let our little voices be heard. Always remember, every child is gifted. They just unwrap their packages at different times. My dear batchmates, allow me to congratulate each and everyone for our unwavering success. Once again, good morning and have a wonderful celebration. O, sa bahay na to,